Tsaka dahil.
Tama na ba eh?
Many things, di ba?
Yes.
I'd like to it's my way of respecting
Tama na
herself
ba?
also.
Yes.
Her family and everything. It's not that they didn't want, it's just that it's just something we talked about, something we want to do private, you know. So just my way of respecting her side, her family, or everybody on her side. So I want to give full respect. So
Alis dyan din guys. Madilim.
Yes, hindi ka din yung picture at yung papa. Kain ka.
Paano pati nag-start yung ligawan? Yung mata-tour,
Alis dyan din eh. Multo. Wag.
Yeah, I guess it's a tour sa America, diba? For 2 weeks. Yeah, that's it.
Gab.
Yes, I always like this since 5 years ago pa, diba? So I guess everything patched up and I thank God everything connected. So,
Ito na lang, magdetalye ka dito. Nagkatampuhan ba kayo ng dahil doon sa Ironman? Nagkaroon ba kayo ng issue dalawa? Pati na ba kayo ngayon? Ang lahat ng yan, sasagutin mo at magbabalik na.
Gab! 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 Bebe!
Oy, oy, oy.
Bebe!
Gabriel.
Bebe! Bebe!
Tsaka dahil.
Bebe! Ano yun? Yun. Pareho ka dyan, ano?
Niludog pugod sa kiray.
Ay, nagog ka kagilan. Ang galing natin yun. Halina. Uy! Uy! Uy!
Oh.
Uy!